Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. It's time for another edition of Scootervision. This week we went out to the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise-in at the Hardees restaurant in Callahan. We had a long day, so there wasn't as many cars show up for this one as there usually would be, but there were still quite a few cars out there. This was the afternoon after the Okefenokee Festival in Folkestone, Georgia, so a lot of people probably went home after the festival. But there was still plenty of cars out. Anyway, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Looks like it's stuck again.
Huh?
Looks like it's stuck again.
Nothing to be stuck on.
I know.
Right, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
I know it's got full battery.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's on air suspension.
Yeah.
I've seen him enough to know. Yeah. I'm fixing to get the last ones I got. Alright. Well, we can pull the truck. Good evening, YouTube. We are at our third live streaming location of the day. We're at the Hardees in Callahan, Florida with the Callahan Cruisers. Doing their monthly cruise in for October. I'm going to take you around, show you some of what's here. It's been a day, I'll tell you. There's a lot of the Callahan Cruiser group was in Folkestone this morning at the Okefenokee Festival, so a lot of them really didn't make the trip down to Callahan to do the evening event. So as you can see, it's kind of thin. It's not as full as it normally would be. But hey, we're here. We're out here. So we got a lot of beautiful cars out here. They're blasting music. So anyway, as I said, there's not as many cars here as there would normally be, which is, you know, not bad, but it's not great. But if you are in the Callahan area and you want to come out to a car show, and it's just just a little cruise in, you don't have to bring anything special. You don't have to have a $1 million car to come out. But anyway, come on out. They'll be out here till at least 6 o'clock. So anyway, like I said, we're going to keep growing the channel. We're going to keep going and we're going to keep doing. So, this is the last live stream for the day. So, I hope you had a great day. I hope you followed me along. As I went through this day, it was a long day. 3 car shows in one day, and my day isn't even over yet. I got to go to a hockey game next. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. The more I grow, the more I'll go. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one.
Okay. You got some more pictures to take too, don't you?
A couple back yonder.
Yeah.
Because there ain't nobody pulled in up here.
Yeah. They did shot yesterday. Or he's got another dog.
Yeah.
I know where you at.
You're definitely gonna have to get that silver one. Yep, no problem.
Next thing you know, how do you know I'm running them? I'm a cop. I know that.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.